empisal creation, and it says new machine. You can see the condition, it's as new. There is no any scratch, nothing wrong, and still in the box, and it's the polyester, and this is the foot, and these are accessories, buttonhole foot, zipping foot, bobbins, and yeah, these things. And the threading is like, if you want to put here the yarn also, it's all right, but if you want to put here also, nothing wrong. And then here almost all empisals, the threading is same. And then inside in this knob, and if it's down, you can turn this wheel, this one wheel, and you can do it up this knob and all the way down. And then inside there in the needle, here we can put, and then in the needle. Okay, and the thread is in, and then the down one, so it's the bobbin in from here to inside there. And when you put in there, here in this knob, and check the sound of click, then it's in. And then we can turn this wheel to doing up the thread. You can see it's coming up. So now it's ready for sewing.